Alright, so this is episode 3 in quick cut mode. No slow walk through today, just the fast progress. Before the shelf come down, all this garage clutter had to be moved first. Then the real work started. This was not a smash and destroy demo. This was a control removal, one person crew style. The screws was not the biggest problem here. The real problem was controlling the weight by myself. The lift cart became my second set of hand. Impact driver for the long screws, tray for every screw. Good wood saved, hardware saved, floor kept clean. And just like that, the garage finally opened up for the next phase of the car Salon Lab. Want the full normal speed version? It's on the channel.
Keep on moving, we keep on moving along, we keep on rolling. No, we ain't slowing it down. We ain't slowing down. Moving, we keep on moving along, we keep on rolling. Yeah. No, we ain't slowing it down. Let's go. We ain't slowing down, baby. Come and show me how. Gotta do it right now. You know you gotta hold me down. Can I let the moment pass? Good things they never last. Pull up in a whip, you know I had to hit the gas. Yeah, that's premium. Pull up with a team and ain't worried about the other side. They know that they ain't beating them on everything I love. Work to the man above. Keep it cool, calm, collected. At this point, you get the message. Life is hectic, but we gotta keep it rolling, though. Gotta keep it grooving, keep it moving like we stole it, though. Rolling with the punches, giving hits like we are in a scope. Even though I'm clocking, punching in, I'm independent, though. Staying prayed up, ain't nothing gon' phase us. Ain't never gon' let a lame say what they just made up. I never take a pay cut, we getting what we worth in. I never change the blueprint, cause we know it's really working.